Hi guys, it's Zach Attack, and this is the Ultimate Custom Night Five Nights at Freddy's. Five characters on 5. So we're putting Freddy, Withered Chica, Nightmare Fredbear, Ennard, and Rockstar Chica on 5. So here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright guys, this is super exciting, so, because I've never played Ultimate Custom Night, had the high score, but that was my dad's, however. I was Attack Daddy played this one. I don't know why I played this, but whatever. Here we go, let's go. Let's start saving power, automatically. Let me get some fast coins. This is my favorite music in the music room. Okay, so this is actually kind of freaky because I've never played this, even though I know the mechanics, because I did look at the mechanics. Dee Dee, why? No, why? No, why? Well, well, Dee Dee just did a sneaky thing. Here we go.
How may I be of service to you?
You're gonna get 1% power, Rockstar Foxy. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, wasn't anybody in the ducks? Or was it? Not Puppet. I don't know, guys. Let me go ahead and buy the death coin. Well, Rockstar Chica got us.
I may not like wet floors, but the smell of fresh meat is just too enticing.
Let's try it again. Let's just hope Dee Dee doesn't do a sneaky thing this time. Sorry about that. No, Dee Dee! Can you stop, Dee Dee? Like, actually.
Me birds like you, so I'll do ye a favor.
So he'll do me a favor. Hold on. I just need to figure out what Dee Dee added. Can't figure out what she added. JJ. She added JJ. Okay. That's easy enough. I can go up against JJ. Check the vent systems. Block up her. She added Foxy? Oh no. She added Foxy and Rockstar Chica got me again. Wow. Okay, so let me go ahead and try this again. This time we are officially turning Dee Dee off. Look at that. She turned Foxy and JJ on. Get them out of here. Let's start this thing up. We're gonna do this one last time. Let's go. This time Dee Dee is not gonna do a sneaky thing.
How may I be of service to you?
Well, I think we might be able to get it this time. Check Freddy. Okay, Chica's not there still. Repeatedly check. I don't even think she comes.
Me bird likes you, so I'll do ye a favor.
I'm just going ahead and blocking Freddy. Four AM, guys, let's do this thing. This wasn't much of a challenge this time. More because of Rockstar Chica. But that's whatever. We blocked up Freddy. Once we hit 5 AM, I think I'm just going to shut all the doors and call it quits. Alright, I'm just going to go shutdown mode. I had enough power to do it, actually. I'm going to cut my usage down some. Up here.
How may I be of service to you?
Yep, we have to do this. We won! Let's go! We got 250 points and that's it. Alright, we're gonna call it quits right here. After you see this. Alright guys, We'll see you all next time.